Some people believe that sharing a red velvet cookie during the holidays will strengthen your love and ensure abundance and lasting family unit. Today, we're creating something very special: vegan chocolate chip red velvet cookies. And the ingredients, they're all in the description below. Here's what you need to spread the joy. 1 cup of vegan butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Cream the vegan butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cocoa, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add the dried ingredients, forming a dough. Delicious! And now we're gonna add our red magic. Add the vanilla. Fold in the vegan chocolate chips. Oh, I think it's ready. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Scoop the dough into balls using a tablespoon. Place on a baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. This is an extra tip. Once you remove the cookies from the oven, add the extra chocolate chips on them, so you will have very pretty cookies at the end. Let them cool on the baking sheet before transferring to a wire rack. These cookies look and taste amazing. Share your photos with us and subscribe for more inspired vegan recipes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Enjoy one delicious cookie at a time. Spread the love, guys, and happy holidays.